Sat Shri Akal ji. My name is Dr. Jaskirandeep Kaur. I am presently working as Member State COVID Control Room. Today it is the 99th day of sharing media brief about Punjab government efforts in controlling the coronavirus pandemic situation in the state. Till today, coronavirus has infected 1,02,67,700 people worldwide, out of which 55,68,810 have recovered and 5,04,780 people have lost life to the deadly disease. In India, this disease has infected 5,50,000 people, including 16,504 deaths, and almost 3,22,161 people have fully recovered. The Punjab government is trying to test maximum number of samples, and in this regard, the state has sent 2,94,448 samples for testing, out of which 5,418 samples have been found positive till date, which is an increase of 202 cases since yesterday. Unfortunately, 138 people have died till date and 3,764 people have been discharged from the hospitals. In view of Unlock 1, the advisories issued by government must be followed in letter and spirit, and the people coming into Punjab via rail, air or road must follow these instructions. Guidelines for international travellers. All persons arriving to Punjab state through airport, seaport, landport will hand over declaration form having personal and health details to state officers. They would be screened as per the health protocol at the port of entry. The passengers found to be symptomatic during screening shall be taken to the health facility for testing. If found positive, they would be treated as per health protocol. Health protocol states that RT-PCR samples as per ICMR criteria for all suspected cases will be taken for COVID testing. Those who test positive and asymptomatic, provided they are less than 60 years of age and don't have any comorbidities, will be kept in COVID care centers. Those who test positive and need medical supervision, either due to the severity of the symptoms or any associated comorbidity, or are above 60 years of age, will be shifted to level 2 or level 3 facility depending on their medical condition. All such persons have to be discharged as per the revised discharge policy of GOV. Asymptomatic passengers and those found negative during RT-PCR testing will be taken into the institutional quarantine, that is government or hotel quarantine on payment basis, and will be tested on 5th day, that is RT-PCR samples for COVID testing has to be sent. If tested negative, they shall be allowed to go home after completion of 7 days of institutional quarantine and will be advised for home quarantine and self-monitoring of their health status for another 7 days, for which they will be giving a written undertaking that they will inform any kind of symptoms immediately to the health or district administrations. If tested positive, they will be shifted to the government isolation facility and will be treated as health protocol. All such passengers need to download COVA app, which should be kept active at all times. In case of exceptional circumstances such as pregnancy, death of an immediate family member, severe mental illness, concerned Deputy Commissioner may allow for 14 days of home quarantine instead of institutional quarantine, and this must be intimated to the health department. We have guidelines for domestic travel, air, interstate travel by road. All those frequent travelers through air, rail, road will be screened at entry points for COVID symptoms. The passengers found to be symptomatic during screening shall be taken to health facility for testing. If tested positive, would be treated as per health protocol. As per ICMR criteria, however, domestic passengers arriving at the airport, that is all symptomatic, are to be tested mandatorily as per protocol, and asymptomatic passengers are to be tested on random. If asymptomatic or tested negative, they will be allowed to go home after submitting an undertaking for home quarantine for 14 days and self-monitoring of their health status, and must report to the nearest health facility in case of development of any symptoms of COVID-19. All such passengers have to download COVA app, which has to be kept active for all times. Frequent interstate travellers who need to move outside Punjab frequently, such as salesperson, transporters, doctors, journalists, executives, engineers, traders, consultants, legislators such as MPs and MLAs extra need not be home quarantined. Deputy commissioners and SDMs will issue pass to such persons who shall submit an undertaking for self-monitoring of their health status, and in case they develop any kind of symptoms have to report to the district administration or health authorities. All such persons must download COVA app and keep it active all times. For further information, must visit pbhealth.gov.in. To win war against corona, we should follow government's instructions like wearing of mask while moving out, ensuring social distancing and maintaining hand hygiene. Thank you.